favorite teachers. My name is Het Patel. Today I am talking about cricket. Cricket is a very famously game in the world. The first match of cricket played in 16th century. It is played by two teams. Each team have 11 players. One Day World Cup was started in 1975 and most famously T20 World Cup was started in 2007. Asia Cup has 20 overs and World Cup has 50 overs and also T20 has 20 overs. My favorite team is Indian cricket team. Indian cricket team is one of most famously cricket team in the world, having two won ICC Men's Cricket World Cup and one T20 World Cup. The top players of Indian cricket team is Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Sourav Ganguly, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Players of Indian cricket teams are Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul and etc. The captain of Indian cricket team is Rohit Sharma and vice captain is KL Rahul. The record of Sachin Tendulkar is 18,426 runs in 463 ODI matches and Master Blaster scored 15,921 runs in 200 Test matches. Mahendra Singh Dhoni's records to stomp out in 0.08 seconds. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Maitri Desai from Standard 8. Today I will deliver speech on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is a great freedom fighter. He was born on 31st October 1875. His full name is Vallabhbhai Jhavairbhai Patel. His father name is Jhavairbhai Patel. His mother name is Ladbha Patel. He is popularly known as Iron Man of India. He is a great political activist and a lawyer. He became a first Deputy Prime Minister of India and a Home Minister of India. He is considered as the father of all Indian services. His birth anniversary is celebrated as National Unity Day. He was dead on 15 December 1950. He will always remains a motivation for all our country. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Oneself, Devansh Dalwadi from grade 9. Today I am going to speak a few words about Dr. PJ Abdul Kalam. That speech delivered by Smile and Cry. Do you know students what is smile?
Happy.
Yeah. The best pet in the world is Smile and Cry. They don't want to meet each other at a time, but if they meet, that is the best moment in our life. Even every smile can touch somebody's heart. Even God also allows us to cry, but to clean our eyes so we can see the good things ahead. Strong people also have their life in order with the tears in their smile. They still manage to say, "I am okay" with a smile. When life gives you 1,000 reasons to cry, then you have to show your life that I have 1,000 reasons to smile. Smile is like a cooling system of heart, sparkling system of eyes, lightning system of face, and relaxing system of mind. And all the systems get activated with a sweet smile. Smile is like electricity and life is like battery. Whenever you smile, battery gets charged and a beautiful day gets activated. People think that Charlie Chaplin was a great comedian, but he was a satirist and conveyed his moral in his head in the form of thoughts because he is a comedian. So here I am here to present one of his thoughts that said by Charlie Chaplin. He said that I have many problems in my life, but my lips doesn't know that they always smile. Like second example, Leonardo da Vinci said that I love those people who always smile in their trouble. Now, but students, remember that I smile. The smile because of my face, the smile on my face, that doesn't mean that my life is perfect, but it means I appreciated what I have and what God has blessed me with. And remember one important thing, that never cry for that person who always hurts a lot. Just smile and say thank you that to giving me a chance to find, to select, find, to choose that better for someone better than you. And I want to say you that always smile in trouble also, because your one smile can change or solve your many problems. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Myself Anilisha from Standard 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great leader and philosopher. He was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. His mother name was Bhuvneshwari Devi and his father name was Vishwanath Datta. Swami Vivekananda's childhood name was Narendranath Datta, but it was later changed to Swami Vivekananda. He has a knowledge of reading a thing. If he reads a thing one time, he doesn't forget it. He was famous for his best 1893 speech given about Hinduism in Chicago. Do you want to know the incident?
Yes!
The incident was that when they wanted to do the program of fundamental of religions, where they have to give a speech on a topic, but they doesn't know the topic. So they asked the organizer to give him a topic. The organizer says, "You doesn't need topic, sir, because you can speak approximately 1.5 hours in any topic." Then Swami Vivekananda says, "But I need topic." Then the organizer says that the topic was written on that board besides your name. Then the Swami Vivekananda suddenly got shocked by seeing their topic, because their topic name is God is nowhere. God is nowhere. Then Swami Vivekananda suddenly become happy and go on stage and says that a people who had given me this topic is too brilliant, that the people had given this topic to me. Then he has changed God is nowhere to where he had put it where it's W to no, so the no becomes now, and he had changed the statement to God is nowhere to God is now here. God is now here, and he has said about our Asian culture, about our relations, our universities, about our yoga, about our Asian history, etc., etc. Too many things that Swami Vivekananda has said. Swami Vivekananda was also founder of the Ramakrishna Mission. On 12th January, Swami Vivekananda's birthday, it is also celebrated as National Youth Day. Swami Vivekananda left this world on 2nd July 1902. There are thousands of people who admire him, and I am one of them. Thank you.